This is the view from the balcony outside my room. I'm loving it. Just beautiful. And there was a little bird sitting on the rail this morning, woke me up singing to me. Beautiful. Just love it. I could do this every day and never be tired of it. Eat some breakfast, to walk down there and do a little fishing and paddle around the lake. Listen to the birds. I hope you can hear the birds singing. It's just beautiful. Still a little bit chilly here in the mornings. There's a dock down there with a pontoon boat. Wish it was mine. Oh well, there's the view. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.